All right, let's continue our discussion with dictionaries. Next, we are going to see how we can add a pair key value to a dictionary. All right. In order to do that, I'm going to call population dictionary one more time, and I want to add one more key value to this. The way we are going to do this is by population dictionary. And first, I'm going to insert the or type the value of key. Let's say Canada. We want to insert Canada's population here as well. Canada, it's equal to, let's say, 32 million. All right. If I run this and population dictionary, now I have USA, India, China, world, and Canada's population. All right. This is going to come in handy when we are trying to gradually build up a dictionary. Another thing that we want to discuss today is how to access the whole all keys or all diction or values in one place, or combination of key values together, right? This is what I mean. There is a very nice method that comes with dictionary called the keys. If you, all you need to do is just call it as a method, population dictionary data keys, and this is going to give you all of the keys: USA, India, China, world, and Canada. Now you see that this data type is a little bit it's strange. So what we end up doing is regions is equal to, we turn this into list of that population dictionary keys. Now if I look at regions, it is going to say it's a USA, India, China, world, and Canada. We can do the same thing with values. All right, we have also population dictionary.values, and it is going to give you those values. Same story. If you want to store them in a list, all you need to do is just run a list function behind this and call this populations, and call pops, and you are going to get those and a list of those population values. Now another very common syntax or application or code, the piece of a snippet that I keep seeing, and it's very common in books and in practice, is using items. What do I mean by that? So let's say you want to loop through dictionaries keys. Let's start there, right? I'm going to say for population dictionary data keys print for k in population dictionary dot keys print k, and it's going to give print those keys for me. Let's do the same thing for values. This time I'm going to say v standing for values for population dictionary data values print v, and it is, what did I do? I've used 2 for, okay, for v in population dictionary values print v. It's going to give me those values. If I want to access them together, this is how we are going to do it. For this is very common, key comma v in population dictionary data items print key comma v, but I want to make that a little bit fancier. All right, I want to use formatted string. I want to also add a text of for region of key population, sorry about that, population is v. All right, let me explain what this is. Of course. There we go. All right. For key comma v in population dictionary dot items print for region k population is v. Let me print this, and then we are going to revisit this and discuss it even more. So it says for region of USA population is this, and for all of them. What is happening here? Let me skip that key comma v for a second. I'm going to say for num, it's fine, in population dictionary data items print num. Let's see what this is. All right, you see that what it prints a tuple. When you call population dictionary.item, those items, each of them is going to be a tuple, that the first element of that is the key, second element is a v or value, and you have that for all elements of your dictionary. Now, what is happening up here for key comma v in population dictionary.items? Why I'm using just one counter here and why I'm using two right here? Well, when you say key comma v in population dictionary.items, automatically Python looks at population dictionary.items and sees that it's a tuple. So very first element of that tuple is assigned to k, and the second element of that is assigned to v. All right, this is known as unpacking, because they are in one tuple and you are taking elements out of that tuple one by one. All right, this is known as unpacking. Let me write this in a slightly different way. For num in population dictionary data items, print again, print f. I want to print this. I want to say, you know what, num 0. Now I'm accessing that tuple's first element, which is going to be the key. All right, num 0 has population of if you guess num 1, you are 100% right. All right, I'm accessing, oh, of course, I need to put these inside curly braces. All right. Again, one more time, when I call num, so num, each time that this loop goes through is going to become a one tuple. What happens inside for loop? First, I'm unpacking it. I'm looking at the first element and I say num 0, that region has population of num 1 is going to be the value. Let's run and see what we get. Right, USA has population of that much, India has population of that much, and so on and so forth. Again, these are three methods: dictionary data keys, dictionary data values, and dictionary data items. They are used very often, and I want you to get comfortable using them.